People are making this one-dimensional when it's not. I've been in the 81% business my whole life. This was my biggest argument with my dad because he was such a micromanager. 81%. 81% of me times 1,000 is a lot better than 100% of me 4 times. Back to prioritization, fully agree. This is where I'm a little, because I know this crew a little bit. Layer an extra layer to biggest bang for the buck, not just being financial. Be self-aware. Layer what makes you happy too. You might do when I look at those things, because I do as well, I don't do this, that's why I don't read, but I do it here constantly. If number 1 is the biggest for the buck, but the thing I don't like the most, and number 3 is not far behind, but I love it, a lot of times I'll bang on that. Because for a lot of you, the single biggest thing that is the biggest bang for the buck is already subconsciously the thing you don't like, which is why it hasn't been done. It's a really important thing to pressure test. If you look at it and you're like, open a new location, you're like, fuck, I've hated open the last 2 locations, time to hire. 81%, notice, see where I'm playing, how I'm playing? Now all of a sudden, you hire there, you bang out number 3, you love it. When you love something and you're this talented, people are very confused about collateral damage. You crush your number 3, you're looking at it on paper as that. What you don't realize is while you're in your process, something springs up and you can recognize it. I spent a lot of time thinking about that. Collateral. It looks like something on paper until you're in it. I'm gonna open up a Singapore office. Okay, what am I gonna do? Things I like. I'm gonna go speak in Asia 4 times, but then collateral damage, it leads to your first 2 clients. Biz dev wasn't on the list. Building top of the brand was. It kind of there's things that start happening. Acquiring talent was number 11. Oh wait, I spoke, it acquired the talent. You like building the furniture. I'm making weird ass shit up right now. Building furniture for the fucking office is your number 4, but your favorite thing, and you heard me here and you're trying something new, you're like, fuck it, I'm gonna build the furniture. But you bring 3 people from the team to do it with you that you don't get to spend enough time with. Now you've banged out culture. People are making this one-dimensional when it's not.